Circle, small circle, small circle.
Dili!
Everybody in the group.
Ay! Of course she had to. She's a mistress.
Huh? Oh my God, kinsa na? Different one.
Oh, different one. Sorry.
No.
Some other people are just there to like gossip about your problems or use your problems against you.
True. If you know, you know.
Yeah, I was gonna say, if you know, you know. For us, like kami, tough love girl.
Yeah.
Agad-agad. Like, parang ni Kuan, like who's going through something.
Oh. Hello guys, welcome to our podcast. It's called Ambot
Ambot
Lang
Lang
Pod,
Pod.
where we talk about life, relationship, friendship, anything above the clouds na makaingon kag Ambot Lang Pod, which means,
I don't know.
yeah, in English, ako di ay si Monty, the certified overthinker.
And ako si Clovel, ang professional red flag enjoyer sa una.
Well, welcome to our podcast. I hope you enjoy. Uy, kagwapa na ako Lord. Thank you. Mag-selfie na lang ka later. Mag-selfie ta later. Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast show.
Yeah, guys, welcome back.
We're happy you're here again.
Yeah,
with
can
us.
you believe into an episode? It's episode
Episode 4.
4.
For the
Anyway, so for today, we're gonna talk about something relatable for
very
us, for
everybody.
everyone.
Yeah.
We're gonna talk about friendship. So from relationships, situationships, from relationships to situationships to another ship. Friendships. Love it. So
Adulting man to last time.
it's okay.
Oh, good.
A
Yeah.
part of it.
Anyways, yes. From childhood friendships to adult
Yeah.
friendships to anything of friendships and how it evolves, it's very different every level or
Yeah.
every
Mhm.
moment in life.
Yeah.
It's easier when we were younger, when we were kids.
True. So for today, we're gonna talk about as what Madam Monty said, how friendships evolve, how we maintain them, and how our priorities change as we age. So before we mag deep talk, again, we're gonna talk about the ambot lang moment of the week. So what do you have?
Amot lang moment of the week for me is more on the struggle of weight loss.
Oh my gosh!
For me, oh sorry, can you hear me? For me, yes, abot lang moment of the week because when I got sick a few months ago, I lost a lot of weight. Oh my God, now I'm gaining a little bit more weight, so I'm trying to maintain it. Yeah, ambot lang.
Ambot
It's
lang. For me, okay, it's all about work again, guys. The work ethic of some other people. I'm not gonna say much, but it's the work ethic of some people that makes you say ambot lang. Yeah, I don't know
Let's
why they
drop
work like
names.
that. No. Okay,
Char.
no name dropping. So yeah,
First segment. We're gonna do our
first segment. So we're gonna talk about how we make friendships before versus now, because
Yeah.
it's so different. Kay, like back when you were a kid, it's so easy to talk to other kids. Like I don't know if it's same for you guys, but it's so different. Like kanang naalang mo sa like whatever snack area. I mean, can we share? Like it's so
Yeah.
it's so easy. Like
Or
kanang-
no, when like remember when we were kids, like we fight with certain kid and then all of a sudden you play with them.
Yeah, it's like
Like it's just easy.
it's so easy. Like
Yeah.
mo approach nang like, oh let's go play, oh let's go do that, or like katuingi ko like we fight about certain things and then after that you're friends already. So
Yeah.
it's just different now that we're adults, because before we don't overthink like friendships.
Yeah, we don't internalize the pain that it costs.
Or char spell.
Causes.
Yeah, we don't overthink like friendships before, but now we're like we're guarded ba na like,
Yeah, we have
what's your
boundaries.
intention, what's like it's different for other people, but for adults, like it's so sad that we think that way na. Okay, like we think about like, hello, what's your intention, why you're making friends with me, Or like, are you making friends with me because like of the benefits that I can,
Yeah,
offer?
it's different now.
Or basta guys, nga na. So
Adulthood is different.
it's just so it's different. Like it's the same with adulting yun. Like last episode, di dito situationships, joke lang. It's about ano pala, adulthood.
No, I was situationships.
Really?
Episode 3, girl. Girl!
I don't
We're in
remember. Wow,
episode 4.
because episode 4 na guys. Yeah.
4.
Yeah. So na, it's like that. So for segment 2, kay nami mahiwagang chen chen asa tong baol oy.
Oh, before we go to segment 2.
Sorry.
Before we go to segment 2, look at our shirt. If you know, you know.
Yeah, I was gonna say, if you know, you know.
Comment down below.
If you know, then you know. Diba? Yeah,
My baby.
Mo niyang ano. Yeah. Ako, my
Hudson Williams.
And what's his name? Ira. What's his name?
Hudson Williams
Ilya.
ang kuan man.
Connor.
Story.
Connor story.
Yes.
Sorry. Ira. Kasi Ira. Ayla.
Ilya
Rosenov.
Rosenov. Yes. We love the show. Or next time, we're gonna talk about the show. Okay, no, later na kung
Okay.
like I think the season 2.
2027 pa, girl.
Oh
Ang
yeah.
goods, ano.
Yeah.
Yeah. But anyway, we're gonna go to the next segment with it, which is this or that. So na yung magic ma-happen. Kuha, madam.
Oh, segment 2 na ta?
Yeah.
Kadali ba ni?
Oh, di ba? Chile!
Gamay na ni siya. It's like
Yeah, it's like it's a this or that friendship edition. Like kanang which one would you want like sa kanang specific friendship? Go ahead.
What?
No, it's a this or that. Like for example, red flag or green flag.
Okay.
So it's
Okay, I'll pick one first.
It's a friendship. Gamay ra siya,
Pick
guys.
one and pass.
Finish or not finish, pass your papers.
Sharing everything with your friends or keeping some things private.
So which one do you choose?
Both.
Actually.
Because it depends on the level of friendship you have. Because you can have friends that are fleeting.
Spell, girl!
Fleeting. Is it
Okay,
right?
very
Correct.
Very good.
I was the Master King.
Master King. Okay. So yeah, I agree.
I would share everything with like come on, like
Yeah.
I would share things with you guys.
Over ang ka-share, guys. Grabe ang oversharing din na area.
Hasta ko lubot. Anyways, yes, it depends on which level you are in our friendship.
That's so true.
Yeah, you have to guard yourself with certain people.
Yeah.
Because you don't know who's gonna
Yeah, I agree. Kay. It's different because
backstab you.
some people are like, oh, I'm here for you because I want to comfort you. I want to listen like to your problems. But some other people are just there to like gossip about your problems or use your problems against you.
True.
Which is so sad.
You don't know who. You don't
So
know
sakto,
when.
both. You don't know how.
Oh, say mo ha. Sige.
Oh, yeah, I agree lagi both.
Why did you agree?
Because it's agreeable.
Okay. Good.
Okay, next one. Just go. Kani, low maintenance friendships or constant communication? Pretty both. But no. More on low maintenance friendships siguro. Like, you don't have to like talk every day. But then, like, if mag-abot or like kana magkita or whatever, kay you're just the same like what were before? Ay gana ba? Like kanang
Yeah.
like for example, like your high school friends, you haven't seen them in a while, and then inikita ninyo kay, oh my gosh, like it's like some things never changed.
Yeah.
ba?
Like
So-
the years did not pass.
Yeah, it's just like
Yeah,
you
I
pass.
would
You
prefer.
Sorry.
I would
Yeah.
prefer that. What you call that?
Low maintenance.
Low maintenance friendships.
Yeah, it's true. Okay,
Yes.
it's like it's very dili man sad ano guys, like it's not like it doesn't have to be like constant communication like, "Oy, how are you? How are you like that? Blah blah blah. How you like that?"
In your area.
No, like you don't have to talk every day, but then when you have the chance to talk, of course you guys are busy. Adults na ba ya?
Mhm.
So, like some things never change lagi, something like that. So low maintenance friendships.
Yeah, it's better too.
Yeah.
Because
This
adults, we're adults now. It's
Wait
know.
lang,
it's
before
very...
we go, magpili ba? Tanawa mo! Guys, look at our stack!
Coconut juice.
Water na lang. Water. Sorry. Di ba before it was boba, and then like Starbucks, and then nag-Dunkin'?
And then
now,
nagsalud.
Water. Okay.
It's hydration. Because it's so hot
It's
here
so
in New
hot.
York.
Juice.
It's like 90.
95 today.
95
That's
today.
why. So tubig, H2O, just add
Yeah.
water.
You need
Okay.
it. Stay hydrated if you're in New York or in the Philippines.
Yeah, true.
Okay, I'm gonna pick one more.
One more? It's not that long ba ya? I swear. It's not that long.
I know.
Ay, sorry. Ano, you said one more.
I'm gonna pick one more.
Okay. Sorry,
Girl.
sorry.
Spontaneous hangouts or planned catch-ups? Huh? Spontaneous. I'm
Really?
a very spontaneous person.
Oh my gosh. So true.
Why
Speaking
would
of-
you? Well, if you're that busy, I guess you can do a planned catch-up.
Yeah. There are some. There
Yeah,
are some
there
that
are
you have
some.
to, which is more lagi ang problem sa friendships pod, like when you're an adult na, because you have to like schedule na, set an
Yeah.
appointment.
Yeah.
Because back when you're in high school, every day ba mo, oh, speaking of, I just told mama about like ang high school here, it's different kay, sila ang mag-change og classes mo.
Yeah.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
the same as in college.
Lagi, that's why. But sa Philippines, it's ba ya?
It's
From 7 to 4.
Yeah, in the Philippines, it's usually from if you're gonna be in the same school for the rest of your life.
Yeah.
From preschool to high school, you're gonna be the same people.
Same faces every
Even if you change sections,
Yeah. Same
you're
people.
gonna same people. Yeah,
Same people aside or like they're new students, but the same people good.
Yeah, the new students always get the attention.
Yeah. And then for us like Filipinos ba kay it's the teachers that leaves the classroom.
They should, as they should.
Dili it's different here. Wala lang. I remember
Yeah,
also
here
in
I think it's the teacher stays, the professors
Yeah.
stays in the room.
Yeah, for us, guys, sa Philippines. Anyway, next one. What's the next one? Friends who comfort you softly or friends who give tough love? I prefer tough love,
Depende. It depends.
I guess. Oh,
It
yeah.
depends on the
Depends-
level of friendship
and
you
depends
have.
on the situation.
Because
I
if
guess.
you're just an acquaintance, like a fleeting friendship, and you are giving me emotional advices about my life,
Yeah.
I would hit you with a hanger.
I think it depends on the level and then it depends on the situation siguro. Like for us, like kami, tough love girl.
Yeah.
Agad-agad like parang ni Kuan, like who's going through something.
Oh.
Yeah,
No,
it's-
name.
Yeah, like our friend who
Drop naming.
a close friend who's
Drop
going through
naming.
something, you tough love good. You have to like, because there are
Ah.
friends, there are people who
I don't
prefer
know if
like
you heard
soft
that.
like
Oh my god, the crack.
Like
30-year-old.
There are some people. I thought you were 27.
Oh, 27, I'm 27.
Yeah, it's different for other people. Okay, like some people, na even though ano ba kay ma-hurt mo gud sila.
Yeah.
Like they don't like kanang tough love nga like realities
I like
check
bread.
ba. Huh?
Because right, if batuhan ka ng bread,
Eto na naman siya. Kung
Ay, bato
batuhin
ng
ka ng
bato.
tinapay.
bato!
Oh, batuhin ka ng bato. Batuhin mo ng tinapay.
Kasi we love bread.
Yeah.
Tinapay means bread.
Yeah, for me siguro, I prefer, like, if ever kami, tough love yun. Because
Yeah.
soft love, kimurag, unsay, like,
Di man may soft.
ano siya ba? Like, sugar coating man. Like, if need gani si mong friend, if your friend needs, like, something, awakening. Tough
Rude
love.
awakening.
Tough love. Tough love yun. Tough love?
Tough.
Kanina
Okay,
episode, dahil
I'm gonna pick one more.
Sorry na good. Sorry.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Kuha mo
Hold
kay Bana. It's
Oh my gosh. So,
sorry. So
So,
sorry.
neto siya sa Philippines. And then he had to change the
My flight.
flight.
Because there was a snowstorm here in New York. It was
Yeah.
January.
Oh my gosh.
It was the biggest snowstorm
Yeah. Ever.
for the first time in New York.
For the first time
Again,
in a long time.
In a long time. So my cancel got
My God.
cancel got flight. My flight got canceled. So the next week after there was the few days after the flight were still canceled. Sorry, go to me. The flights were still canceled. So I tried to call I don't know, AirAsia or something. No, Singapore Airlines.
Yeah.
And
Guys,
we were just making fun. No, you guys have to call them.
we didn't make fun. Pero kana bitong like when you call, ay sorry guys, akong hiccup. Sorry. Like when you call someone like ba yun, if it's a Filipino or like kanang from here, So wala lang, funny, very cute man si ate girl kay
Siya,
whenever ka
hold on.
Yeah, whenever ka na, oh, yeah, we're gonna help you. Hold on. Yeah, every
And then, oh
mo
my God,
change
it
ang
took
tone.
so long.
Yeah. Ang
So
ending, di ba, it
long.
was din, sayop ang iyang gibot. Cause
Yeah.
yeah.
It was a different flight, so I had to cancel it, and then I had to book another flight.
Yeah. But we didn't make fun of her. Ano lang siya, very
Yeah,
cute.
it was just
Hold
an
on.
inside joke now that we named. Hold
Yeah,
on.
hold
So
on.
you're part of it now. Hold on.
Hold on. Ano siya?
Okay, hold on.
Okay, hold on.
I'm gonna unroll.
Unroll. What's na next one?
Oh, big friend groups or small circles? Small circle,
big circle.
Wrong.
Small circle, small
Big circle, small circle, small circle.
Dili! Small circle, big circle, 6 times 6, 6 times 6, 36. Where's mama? Where's papa? Say goodbye, girl. Di mo ka bugo og math, so you don't need that song siguro.
Bugo kog math, grabe.
Yeah, it's ano, guys.
If you can't find X, I can't. Oh, I can't even find my X. How can I find
I
the X in the paper?
We can't even identify the X. How much more the X, diba?
Yeah.
Anyway.
Anyways.
Wait lang. Comment down below if kay ba mo na be. I think it's a ano lang, Filipino
It's a Filipino thing. I think so.
Yeah. Anyway, go ahead.
Anyways, I'm gonna readjust here. Oh my god.
Big friends.
Big friend group or small? I would prefer big, because I'm used to like family gatherings in the Philippines. There's a lot of people. Well, I'm always in a big friend group.
Oh yeah.
Always.
Guys, yung birthday. Oh my gosh, a lot of people. Oh my segue. So yung birthday hapit na no October. Dili pa yun. Not even months. We just started pa nung mag-summer. Nag-send na siya og invitation man to.
No, to you guys only.
Yeah.
I don't know yet, because I'm trying to look for a place.
Every time it's like 70 up people. 70 plus people. So it's a
No, 100 something invited, but there's a lot of people canceling. So
Yeah.
70 or 60 people coming.
So yeah, every time yun, yung birthday guys niya, mga sadyang PA na ba yung mga personal assistant. Oh my goodness, so what am I? But anyway, and
May gani kaya na ko na PA usa ato.
Yeah,
Okay, Bisaya ni. Okay, pwede makasi.
Si nag-follow pa ba siya na ako?
Anywho, let's stop that.
Yeah, anyway. Me siguro, before I prefer big friendships. But I think I told you that before sa kato episode. I'd rather have a small friendship group siguro and then have the best quality than quantity ba. Kaya before, oh my gosh guys, if you don't know, kanang ano ba, you try to fit in with everybody. So of course, you're in a big friend group. Unya, wala di ay maglini ba kayo, shout out.
Look.
Diba?
Diba? Mo na sila. Name it.
Dili. Basta.
Libak sa mo.
Yeah, like kanang bati, it's sad kay you're in a oh my gosh.
But the thing is, you can't really dili mo siya what you call that? You can't avoid it.
Yeah.
That they're gonna talk about you. Everybody has something to tell.
Yeah,
to tell someone about you.
Yeah, kay
Like,
I think
it could be positive or negative. It's not really.
Kaya remember back in college kay I was in a small group yun. I think lima rami and then there's like different groups na murag dagan kay sila, like I think 7 up people, and then because like it's a big group, na sila subgroups. Sana all.
Yeah, it's the same in college with me.
Na subgroups ba? So
in high school too. I mean, I was in a big friend group. Even in middle school here.
Yeah, me too. Sa high school, yeah.
Where we're like 6 people.
It's not big.
No, that's big here.
Oh, yeah.
Here they usually have like a close friend that's 1 or 2.
Ah, yeah.
You don't have like a big group here, like 6 or 7. That's already big in America.
So ako before, I prefer big.
Like,
Now,
me too. I prefer big.
anyway, kuan lang siya guys. Before, I prefer big friend group siguro, but now I try to keep my circle small. Okay?
Smaller the better.
Ay, hala, natago.
Okay, ako na. Ay,
Wait lang, ako, girl.
Ikaw di ay. Sige,
Ako,
go.
okay.
Go.
Anyway, this next one.
Anyway, hold on.
Hala, bati ka in English. Unsa man ni si ate girl? Uy, friends who always chat. Unsa man ni? Yap. Or friends who disappear sometimes would always show up when needed. Ooh.
The latter.
Really?
Yeah. No, I have a lot of friends, and then if I need them, they show up.
Yeah. Okay, it's okay.
I'd rather have that than a person who's always
Who's
here
there?
and then would never show up to the important stuff.
Yeah, that's
Important stuff
true.
within your life or an emergency.
Yeah, like they're there every day, but then in times of need,
Yeah.
parang nawala na
Yeah,
bula,
I'd rather
bula,
have that.
something.
Huh?
True. Kanang kan ba? Kanang sa Tagalog na nawala na parang bula. That one.
Bula bubble.
Oh, I don't know. Ate Jan, please confirm. But yeah, sure, I agree. So, agreeable again. Okay, I'd rather have a friend who disappears sometimes.
Wait,
But,
English that.
unsa man? Like, unsa?
um,
English the ano? What?
nawala ng parang bula.
Wala na parang bula. Glenda. Basta, look it up. Come on. Nawala ng parang bula.
You were gone like the bubble. Oh, you were
She
gone
left like she's a bubble. Basta, ano lang, I-ask, basta, yeah, I prefer friend who disappears sometimes but show up when needed. Okay?
Yeah, it's better. Low
Okay.
maintenance. Low maintenance.
Low maintenance, see?
Yeah.
Low maintenance lagi ang friendship,
Okay,
guys. Next
me
one.
next.
One
Hold on.
more.
Oh,
Hold on.
you're
Oh,
next.
perfect.
You're next. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna unroll.
Unroll. Ay, ako isa. Sorry, guys.
Oh, friends who give advice or friends who just listen.
It depends.
Both, Yapon. Both.
lagi.
It depends. It depends.
I'll put it here. Okay, it's done. I have the other one.
It depends.
Why? Expound.
To expound, it depends on the level of the friendship. Or the
Yeah.
friendship of the group of the friends. Je suis français.
Ano si Maniana? Expand!
Paano ako expound? Yeah, it depends on the friendship. There are some times that you want to talk to random people for advice because it's better. Yeah.
No.
Oh, do you agree?
It depends. It depends on the situation, I guess. Okay, there are times na I want a friend who would want to listen. Like there are friends na kanang who's just there to listen, but there are friends na who's there to give advice. Amot lang if it makes sense. Okay? It's a different thing na kanang you're there just to listen, like just to kanang ipagawas yung feelings pa, like to vent out or whatever.
Yo.
But it's different when someone listens and someone listens just to give advice. Basta, I don't know if it
I
makes
agree.
sense, but
Yeah,
it's
it depends.
different.
It really depends.
Okay,
It really
sometimes
depends.
you just need someone who listens to you, but you don't need.
I know, it depends on the friendship and it depends on the situation.
Yeah, okay. Bahala mo eh.
Because if it's money problem, yes, you definitely have to give an advice.
Yeah. Basta different siya. Okay, you just want someone there who basta anyway, go back, replay.
Good job.
It's the same thing.
Okay, next.
Anyway, childhood friendships or adult friendships? It depends na naman. It depends.
I would say if the childhood friendship is constant, like constantly there all throughout your life, I would choose childhood friendship. But most of my childhood friendship are like, I have a lot of childhood friendships, so it's more on like, there are gaps in my life that they don't even know. Unless we catch up. I have friends here that I catch up with, but most of my childhood friendships are like only gap of my life they already know. Or only know, I mean.
Yeah. Yeah, it's you're blessed siguro if you have childhood friends na who
you grew up with you until you were an adult. Every life
they
stage,
know every aspect.
Ups and downs I would choose
Hello,
childhood
napo ko
friendship.
childhood friend. I don't know if I remember.
Hello. Comment down below.
I was gonna say, Morg, I don't think. Na ba? I think na, but
Ako na, but yeah, we don't constantly talk. So it's not really like I would choose them. I would choose my adult friendships.
Na ba? Oh, wait, I think siguro I consider my elementary friends my childhood friends. Kaya back when I was a child, langan po. Back when I was an adult po.
Back when you were a fetus.
Back when I was young, siguro, I wasn't really exposed sa... I grew up in a strict household, so I wasn't really...
Me too. My parents are very strict.
I wasn't really exposed to like different people kay hala ka nang lalaki, uyab na nimo. It's gonna like something ba? It's different. So I think I consider my elementary friends siguro my childhood friends.
So I would just consider to pick them over the adult friendship?
It depends. It depends siguro. It depends lang.
No, in your situation, it depends, gyapon. On mine, I would choose my adult friendship because they know because the
Yeah.
struggles in your adulthood is different from
to
your childhood.
Yeah, I guess.
Like they are there and they know what you're going through and they would understand why you're like that
yeah.
or why your thinking in life is like that.
Yeah, I guess.
I would.
I guess my adult friendships.
Oh, di ba?
Ay,
Change
sorry.
mong mind.
Gaslighting. Iya kung ipaalog.
Gaslighting. Oh, di ba sa first episode?
Yeah. Mana. But
And-
anyway.
Yeah, so Humana Tato, that was done.
Yeah, what's the name of the segment 3 again? I forgot.
Wait,
Ah.
my handy dandy iPad. Friendship, fights, and misunderstanding.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
This is a short one.
short lang if you kay let's just maybe share something ano.
Friendship, fights, and misunderstanding. So when I fight or have a misunderstanding with my friends, it's very straightforward. I don't talk to you,
Yeah, that's true.
and I'll talk shit about you.
Mhm.
And that's about it.
Yeah.
And that's it. And then, oh, kuan, ma-pride man ko.
Actually,
I'm very prideful.
prideful siya guys. Pwede siya
So-
so, sabon.
So,
That's why ano my sister and ano madam are friends.
yeah,
Okay,
very
very
prideful.
prideful.
So, no, pero pildi siya sa akong prideful girl.
No, but then mura mo gud naguyab-uyab na if dili mo tanggalon imong pride, it's not gonna work out.
Well, it worked out for all of us. We're still friends in the DOD.
Yeah, DOD.
DOD.
Complete pa din mo.
Oh, dili na. It's not, yeah, oh yeah. Well, misunderstanding.
Yeah.
The fights, not really, because we're adults now. It's not really like a fight, like, you know, how kids or
Yeah.
younger people do it, like sa love life or
Yeah.
kanang mga, so na you
Yaw-yaw.
tease people. Kanang mga teasing,
Ah.
like you get annoyed by that and you
Very
fight.
ano lang, very ano chad.
More
Fights
now
lang.
it's more on misunderstanding. That's why there's a lot of rifts in the
Yeah.
barkada. Barkada
Yeah.
means
Yeah,
friend group.
barkada guys, DOD. Di na sila complete kay.
Oh,
Ay, sorry!
ano di ay? Oh, di, what?
Ako man kibo sa ito man as.
Oh yeah,
Like that.
yeah.
So, it's...
Well, you live and you learn.
shout out!
You live, God.
True. Ako? Wala, do you have a specific, friendship fight, no? Kaya,
Wala.
I had one
Not
specific...
I can't remember any fights because I just don't talk to them, and then
That's what happened lagi. Kay I think I was in college pa, not think, but yeah, my college friends. Kay I think, di ba I said lima mi. Shout out. Among tawag, unsa ba tawag sa mong grupo?
limars.
Dili. Fifth Harmony.
Oh.
Excuse
Sayo dabi?
me. Ano yung kanta?
Sledgehammer.
Ayun na lang. Basta anyway, five set of people, and then nagka-subgroup lagi kay tungod nag-away-away na.
Wow, lima ra mo kabog nagsabgroup pa jud mo.
No, kasi
Kasi?
no, cause my other friend was in she went back to LA.
Mm.
Kay bawo sila ni, and then I was stuck in my other friend, my two of my friends sa kato na group kay na behind sila ba
Sa life or sa
school.
Sa school, okay.
So,
Sa
it was
life?
just me and then my other different group pod sa college.
Mm.
And then this other one, ang usap pod, kay ni go ahead, very, very sa life, very smart. So,
Mm.
And then we had a misunderstanding lang, kay to the point na magpadungog, madam.
Ay,
Like,
bata.
No, but then, man siya, I was in a, like, like sa thesis, something, research group.
Research. Theory, no.
Well, like, as in, like, never, like, sa elevator sa CDU, gyud ba ya? Magkausa. And then,
I mean,
ay,
there's
dili
3
di mi
elevators in CDU, girl.
Basta ka ng
4,
ba?
actually.
Like,
4.
yeah, 4 sa different side, di ba? Basta
I don't know now.
There are
No,
instances,
more than 4. I know 4.
I don't remember. Basta there are instances yun na magkausap, yun, like, you'll be in one elevator, and then mo na and then I was just there, and then, basta, yeah, why?
Oh my God, I remember. Sige, go.
Yeah, it's just like, I was something like that. And then, wala lang, like, I think, like, a few years na later, not few years, I think few years, like, we had to, like, that's the thing about adult friendships, like, if you apologize sincerely, dili di milima lang, guys, naami different age siguro, I don't know, basta, because this one said that, the other one said that, and so it caused, like, a commotion.
Yeah.
One other friend talk shit about my family, which is really
Oh.
sad. Which is, I don't know, she really meant like ill sa akong family, which is mo to ako na hurt ko.
So
But
di
then
naman friends ron.
casual. We follow each other Instagram.
So share this to her.
No. Basta we follow each other. Basta we follow na siya, basta casual. But then, like, the thing about adulthood friendships, man good kay, if you apologize sincerely, okay man good. Like, if you talk about it siguro, okay, oh, you know why I'm like this? Because you did that to me. And then, sana ba? It's nice. But now, nagka-story na me, we're back together. Not back together, because some of them are in the Philippines, but then, it's better now. I think
there's no
I think it
bad
had,
blood as like
yeah,
as
I think it
before.
had to happen so that we can mature. And then but then, oh my gosh, like that specific fight na involve akong family. So it was
Oh.
really sad.
Well,
Anyway,
now I remember one in college
ako sad, college ka.
with Christine de la Peña.
Oh my
Well,
gosh,
I hope she's watching. We're friends.
Yeah.
It's just
I remember
Yeah.
that. Oh my god.
We're not gonna go into details, but yes, that was the friend group was
Yes,
split apart.
Yeah.
Because
Hala,
you
I
know
remember that.
how strong my feelings are.
Uy, grabe.
Yeah.
I remember that.
That was a year. 1 year.
Yeah,
So
it was sad.
we fought mid in internship, I think,
I don't know.
and then
yeah, oh
no,
my
no,
gosh,
no.
I remember
Starting internship until the next year, which is our graduation. So a year. We almost
my
fought for a
gosh.
year. We didn't talk. When we see each other, we're like,
Uy, I remember
"Mama,
that.
I love you, Christine.
Uy, I
Hello,
remember
Singapore."
That. Uy, grabe to ang pag-drift bitaw.
Yeah.
That's what happened to us, to
Yeah.
ano side, our friendship kay murag kani.
Grabe to, cause like when we
This-
go to the city, like everybody's like, "Oh, I don't know if Monty or Christine's gonna be there." Like they try not to put us in one room because they know how I am, and I would never back down.
Yeah. Grabe to nga. Oh my gosh, tinuod. I remember that.
And I was like, oh my god,
gosh.
yeah. But we're friends now. We're cool.
Yeah,
Even
since-
with the other parties.
Yeah.
Na
Over-
we should not name.
Yeah. But then it was mo lagi na ang nice sa adult friendships kay if you basta it had to happen yun.
Yeah,
It
but I
had to
love you,
happen.
Christine.
Uy, grabe.
Singapore, Labubu.
Uy, grabe ko. Kadumdum ko ato. It was very
Yeah, it was very emotional. Everybody was like emotionally, not wrecked, but like emotionally drifting apart.
Yeah.
Like people are just, they can't pick a side. Especially our friend group is like more or less more than 8.
Guys, daghan kay sila.
Yeah.
Na ano ra ko sa lingkit-kit lang ko kay manghud man ko sa
Yeah,
friend.
more than
So,
8.
Oh my gosh, I remember that na murag gubot gyud.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it lasted for like ako ga-expect nga to kadugay.
Yeah, it's almost a year because we talked, me and Christine, after graduation, the night after graduation. We went to La Vie.
Oh.
La Vie
Basta
The Rose?
sa Busay or
No, sa
sa
Ubos.
IT Park?
yeah, near IT
Ah,
Park.
no, Lahog.
Lahog, yeah. Because I remember that because my
if
mom,
you know, grabe
my
to.
mom and dad bought me new shoes. Katong kangkali.
Huh?
Karsal.
Basta?
Basta, like Marco og si Kuan.
Ah!
Nagpapalit sa shoes. So, I bought the same shoes as them. And then, nakarama dyan ko nga, like, naitai. Ako natunban ato. And then, nga to me og Lovey to meet up with Christine.
Actually, grabe ang drama ato.
I think, yeah, that was it. Yeah, because I told Christine, oh, okay na. And then, yeah.
Guys, grabe. Karon ba ko ka-realize nga, oh my gosh.
Yeah, karon ko ka-realize, like, oh my God, nandun ko, yeah, big fight. That was a big fight, the biggest fight I've ever had.
Wait lang. Singhot break. Wait lang.
You know, ang wala.
Anyway,
Anyways, next segment,
what is it?
the segmentalist.
I think I had, one.
I don't have time for that.
Yeah. Ako remember, I think I had one in high school. Nga to the point na ako siyang, I don't know, people pleaser man good. Like, kanang, I don't know what happened ha. I don't remember back in high school, but I had to buy her kanang pepero ba. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
Pipiro?
Yeah, pipiro. I had to
Mahal
buy
ka na
her.
sa Pinas. It's
Yeah.
expensive.
I think it was fake. For me. I don't know. I don't know.
Food the fake. Oh my
I don't
God.
know if it's but Huy nabaya, it's different. Like ang Kit Kat here.
You
it's
mean imitation
something.
or
So
like
fake gani.
no
Authentic? Class A.
girl a fake food.
Na basta it's
Me
like
di siya branded. You mean?
Huy Braga. Branded gani kay was pero but ano
How
it
can you
had
eat
a
that? That's
it had a
crazy.
different taste and then basta akong gi-buy for her and then ako, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. So ironic, we don't even talk now.
Oh my god.
Kanang ano,
Nasa Quinana actually.
we still follow each other on Instagram, but it's not like the same level as you had pag high school. But then we fought like kay kanang to mag
What I
clash.
hate about friends, we're gonna share,
Yeah.
like friends who manipulate stuff.
Like what? In what way?
I am a master manipulator. I
A
love
gaslighter?
manipulating. A gaslighter. I love it.
Everything.
I want to do it to people. No, not necessarily. Like, it's not intentionally bad, but
Yeah.
it comes out natural. But katong manipulator, we don't like her.
It's a no.
Oh, we're not naming any
I don't
names.
remember.
But ironically, she blocked us. Everybody in the group.
Ay! Of course she had to, because she's a mistress.
Huh? Oh my god, kinsa na? Oh, different one.
Oh, different one. Sorry.
No, we don't. I don't know what's going on with her. I don't know why we have bad blood with her. I personally don't care what she did. Personally, don't care. I love the person that she
Kabited with?
made. Yeah, that one. But sorry, it's their inner drama, and
I'm talking the college friends.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's the same thing. It's about yeah.
Really?
Huh? Gi-block mo niyan tanan.
Why?
Gi-block, unblock. I think she still follows me because I see ang story makitaan.
Oh my gosh!
But initially,
Sorry
that
guys,
person blocked
to clarify,
everybody.
she's not a mistress. Sorry. It's
Yeah.
the other person. Sorry.
She blocked everybody because she feels like we're all ganging up on her.
Oh, she felt like she was attacked.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, they weren't really attacking
No.
that person.
But I already told that person that once she does the same shit again,
Yeah.
I will attack, and I did.
Yeah. Huy bitaw. It was just them expressing
And it was
their
sensitive too,
opinions.
because it was like we treat each other like brothers and sisters.
Mm-hmm.
And one of our friends, brother passed away and stuff.
Yeah.
It was
Huy,
sensitive.
it wasn't really attacking that person. It was just them expressing their opinions over and over and over again. Na this is
Yeah, and
what
then
we want.
that person just felt attacked.
Yeah.
What can you do? She wants to manipulate the scenario that she
Yeah.
was attacked.
But what if she said, sorry, apologize. It would be okay, siguro, but then
It's peaceful now.
It's not gonna be the same.
It's peaceful now.
It's not gonna be the same, siguro.
Yeah, no.
Oh my gosh, girl! Oh my gosh, I just remember na.
See. Anyways.
Huy, nashock ko.
Any more? Any
wala
more
na, I
experiences?
think. Back here, siguro wala. It's healthier here.
No, we're all busy. That's why we don't give a
Yeah.
damn about anybody.
Yeah, but we're good. We're good here.
Anyway, share mo.
Can you share?
Give us a moment in life where you fought with your friends, with your close friends,
Yeah, and how you resolve that problem.
or you did not resolve. You blocked
Yeah.
each other. I don't know.
Huy, as in, oh my gosh, now I got reminded of that specific person who spoke ill to my family. It was so bad. Chika ka later. But it was so bad na she posted it on Twitter.
Oh my God.
As in, like, oh my gosh. Like, to the point na ilang not backstab, but like, okay, I'm just gonna say it. Like, ano daw kanang, dili daw may maka-come here sa US. It was that bad. Which is,
Well, anyways.
yeah.
Thank you for watching this very mellow.
No, you can maybe we'll end it with like advice again. Like how you can
How can you maintain?
yeah. Like how or like
Low maintenance. That's the most healthy way for a friendship.
yeah.
Treat friendships like a candle.
Why?
Well, because candles, if you go walk around with it so fast, the light will poof,
Flourish?
flourish, turn off, be off, or you'll get hurt because of the what you call it? The
The
droplings. The
droplets! Ano, the droplets?
The droplets. Contact
COVID!
precaution.
Ah.
Hantavirus. Oh my God.
Hoy, oh my
And-
gosh, that was supposed to be the amot lang po siguro hantavirus.
Yeah,
Kana siya.
that one.
Be
Oh my
careful.
God. I feel like.
Ako siguro no, ano lang, try to be more understanding. Kay, akali sa joy, understanding good kay, kuhan good siya, hypochondriac mo ni siya, eh. Hypochondriac na siya. Like, madam thinks like all of the sakit na niya.
I think I have a heart problem.
Yeah. Like, pag siya, oh my gosh, guys, nakoy asthma. Oh my gosh, I have this. Oh my gosh, I have that. But yeah, ako siguro try to be more understanding sa imong friends because we're all going through something.
Yeah, that you
And
might
then
know
maybe-
or not know.
Yeah, like ano lang, like maybe she's off today or he's off today, like kay because she's going through something, like because people would always say nga sige lang good kay ngani mo good siya, but basta we're all going through something ba, like we have to be more understanding kay ano it's
You don't know what's going on with the head.
like I was
Outside, physically, you might think they're fine, but
yeah, like even the happiest people are
Yeah.
the most ano.
yeah, friendships are more on compromises. It's like a relationship,
Yeah.
a loving relationship.
Kaya sa day, friendship breakups are sads. Sads?
Mm,
Sads? Sad.
Depends.
Yun. It depends on who or what they did. Or
How
who
long you were with them. It depends.
Yeah, but yeah, try to be more understanding. Yeah, try to put yourself in their shoes, siguro. Like, and basta, try to be more
Try
understanding.
to consider each other's feelings,
yeah,
each other's
compromise.
shortcomings.
Yeah. Like, whatever. Dili
Yeah.
siguro,
Support, digong. Oh,
Hoy.
digong.
Kung siguro, maybe here sa friendships kayo, you can, justification.
Di ba
ba?
digong man eh?
I don't know.
Yellow. So, gani.
Cory Aquino man eh.
Yeah. Gusto din si digong.
I don't know.
Yellow
Random
man
ba?
na siya.
Dili, uy. I don't know. Basta,
Manny Villar.
Kana, yes. Kung ano sa na ilang balay? Hala, ano sa na ilang balay?
Subdivision, I know what you mean, yeah. That.
Basta, yeah. Anyway, kana siya.
Side comment to.
Be more understanding. Try to put
Mhm.
yourself in their shoes.
Even if it doesn't fit,
Or, yes.
fit it.
Or talk it out. Kay,
Mhm.
if you talk about the problems, like, basta, guys, murag uyab-uyab lagi nga.
It's the same thing.
Yeah, if you say
every
something-
relationship needs compromise, understanding. Ano pa yung mga
Loving.
loving, comforting,
Oh, yeah.
comforter.
So, try to be, sama ka na. But,
yeah. Yeah.
apologize if you have to.
I'll put,
Or even if you don't have to. Basta, try to, ano ba?
okay.
But anyway, yeah. Ano siya, guys? What's the time? Let me see. 42 minutes.
Thank
Okay.
you for watching. This is the end of the show.
Wait, what are they gonna comment now? Before I was
We're gonna comment starfish.
Starface.
Wala nag-comment last time.
Lagi, mga
Oo, mas na-post
mga-
last time.
mga-
Oh,
Bitch. Bash! See, manipulator. But yeah, guys, I hope you had fun. I hope this is a very short one again because it's about friendships.
yeah, it's just light. We're
Yeah.
just talking about friendship and what we think
yes,
about
it's
it.
lighter now than our. Oh my gosh, what?
Our previous one, yeah.
If you watch our previous one, you understand.
And plus, I think I have a heart problem right now.
But yeah, guys, I hope you had fun.
Thank you.
And I hope we're gonna see you on the next one. Okay.
Enjoy. Be safe. Hantavirus out there.
40% fatal.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Droplet,
Bye.
contact precaution.
What's the
airborne.
name? What's the tawag sa rodents?
Yeah.
Rodents. But yeah, see you on the next one, yo. Bye.
Okay, au revoir.